Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how do you know if someone blocked you on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first of all, open up your Discord application, and if you haven't logged in with your account, then first of all go ahead and log in with your account. Now at the home page of your Discord application, if you swipe right, you will be able to see a list at the left side. This list contains all the servers you are currently enrolled in. If you somehow end up on your profile section, you can come to this section by simply tapping on the Discord icon located at far left bottom. To show you an example, I'll open my DM section located on the upper left. Here, just locate a message from the person whom you think has blocked you and just long press on it. You'll see a pop-up sliding up from the bottom. On the top of it, if you can still see the reactions button, then it means that this person hasn't blocked you or unfriended you. But if you somehow can't see those reactions, then it means you have been blocked. And that's how you can know if someone blocked you on Discord. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.